Karen's World.
Good day to you, kids. My friend and I are playing sepak takraw.
The players are divided into 2 teams. Each team is composed of 3 players.
One team begins the game by kicking the ball over the net.
The players on the other team try to kick or head the ball back over the net. They must do this before the ball touches the ground.
Once the ball touches the ground, the last team to kick the ball gets 1 point.
The first team to score 15 points wins the game. This is how sepak takraw is played.
Excuse me, are you done talking? Can we start the game now?
Not unless you understood the main idea of what we are saying.
I know, I just have to know the key sentence of the paragraph.
Which is?
You two are talking about how sepak takraw is played. So, the key sentence this time is found at the end of the paragraph.
You have been listening well.
Not bad. You are good, kid.
Thanks, but you should see me play sepak takraw. I am a much better athlete.
Really? Let us see your moves.
Sure.
Ouch!
Find out where the key sentence is. In every game, there will always be someone who wins and someone who loses. You may lose today, but you may win tomorrow. Where is the key sentence in this paragraph? If you answered, in every game, there will always be someone who wins and someone who loses, that is right. The first sentence is the key sentence of this paragraph. Losing a game is not the end of the world. Every loss should be seen as a room for improvement. Being able to accept your defeat is a good thing. Where is the key sentence in this paragraph? If you answered every loss should be seen as a room for improvement, right again. The second sentence is the key sentence of this paragraph. Being short-tempered can only gain you enemies. It can result to physically hurting other people. Having self-control is important. Where is the key sentence in this paragraph? If you answered being short-tempered can only gain you enemies, you are right again. The first sentence is the key sentence of this paragraph. You are getting very good at this. Well, I have to go now. Always remember, sportsmanship should be at the heart of every game. And that is the key to a good game.
Karen's World.